Hello everyone, my name is Luo Haoyu and my metric number is 204445. Today I'm going to talk about my industrial training and the company name is Henan Hehai Conservancy Planning and Design. Okay, first, part 1 is about introduction. Now I'm going to talk about the objective. First is to apply the theoretical knowledge in practical settings. Next is to develop professional and technical skills relevant to the field. And third is to understand workplace culture and ethics. And the last one is to enhance employee ability and career readiness. And next is about the objective of industrial training report. The report can enhance understanding of professional practices and the industry standard, and apply academic theories and concepts in real-world situations. And last one is about the develop technical and the soft skills relevant to the field. And about the importance of industrial training. Industrial training is essential because it provides students with first-hand experience in their profession and bridge the gaps between academic theory and practical application through the development of technical skills, comprehension of corporate culture, and establishment of professional networks. It improves employability. Okay, now it's about the company overview. Henan Hehai Water Conservancy Planning and Design specializes in water conservancy and environmental projects, offering comprehensive services that include planning, design, and consulting, with a strong commitment of sustainable development and water management solutions. The company leverages advanced technologies and engineering practice to address complex challenges in water resources, flood control, and ecological restoration. Recognized for its expertise and innovative approaches, Henan Hehai plays a pivotal role in enhancing water security and promoting ecological balance with the region and beyond. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the justification of choosing this company. Okay, selecting Henan Hehai Water Conservancy Planning and Design for industrial training was driven by its reputation as a leader in water conservancy and environmental management. The company's innovative approach to addressing complex water resources challenges and its commitment to a sustainable development align with my career goals. And engaging with projects that have tangible impacts on water security and ecological restoration offers a unique opportunity to gain hands-on experience in my field of study while contributing to meaningful environmental solutions. Next, I'm going to talk about the activities and the scope. First one is the lake morphology control, and second one is the point and surface source pollution control, and third one is about endogenous pollution management, and the last one is water ecological restoration. Okay, now it's the part 2. Part 2 is the overview of the mini project, and the title of the mini project is the water quality improvement projects for Jin Lake, Shangjin Lake, and Moshui Lakes. Okay, first is about the background of the mini project. As we all know, lakes are a significant national asset that serves various purposes, including the regulation of runoff and climate, the provision of water for irrigation and consumption, the preservation of ecosystem equilibrium, and the preservation of cultural landscapes, and considering the hindrances of sustainable economic and social development caused by water pollution and ecological damage. Therefore, building an ecological civilization is a long-term strategy for the sustainable progress of the Chinese nation. Okay, next I'm going to talk about the problem statement. Despite the essential role of lakes in ecological balance, recreation, and water supply, the increasing demand for improved living standards and uneven development have led to significant water pollution and ecological damage in these lakes. This disparity between social demands and the current state of lake water quality underscores the urgent need for comprehensive management and restoration strategies to address pollution, enhance ecological civilization, and ensure the sustainable development of the Chinese nation. Okay, next about the research questions. First, What are the current levels of water pollution and ecological health in Jin Lake, Shangjin Lake, and Moshe Lake? What factors contribute to the pollution and ecological degradation of these lakes? Next is what specific management and restoration strategies can be implemented to effectively improve water quality and restore ecological balance in these lakes. Okay, next about the objectives of the mini progress. First, the primary goal is to improve the water quality of the lake and build a virtuous cycle of water ecosystem, restore the self-purification function of water bodies. Next is about the long-term goal, is to through long-term operation and maintenance of the lake water ecosystem in order to achieve the goal of the lake to reach class 4 water quality. And last one is about the main goal, is to guarantee that the public welfare function does not decay. The development and the utilization is controlled to achieve the goal of water quality, function, ecology, and sustainable use. Okay, next is about the steps of mini projects. Firstly, the following formulas were first used to calculate the capacity of the water environment, accounting for of urban domestic pollute source loads and the surface source pollution about the urban runoff. The internal pollution control measures the project are used to repair the location of the bottom of the mud and to improve the conditions of the basal substrates, compound microbial agents, and lock phosphorus agents, and the particulate nitrogen and the phosphorus in the water body of the Golden Silver Lake account of 60% and 80% of the total nitrogen phosphates respectively in the lake water recovery process through the spraying of high-efficiency condenser and locking phosphorforming. The water quality of the lake can be raised in the short term from low class 5 class to class 3 standard. Based on the relevant engineering experience, the underground mud location repair technology used in the project can reduce COD in internal soil pollution by about 40%, TM by about 40%, and TP by about 30%. Okay, next about the outcomes of the mini project. The project utilize various engineering methods such as point source pollution control, surface pollution control, indigenous pollution control, and water ecological restoration to reduce major pollutants in Jin Lake, Moshe Lake, and other bodies of water. This is achieved through the combined efforts of rainwater and sewage diversion and renovation projects. The project aims to meet the eliminating the poor 5 water quality objective in the near future. Next is about the feedback for my company supervisor.
Hello, I'm Pang Bin, the supervisor at Henan Hehai Conservancy Planning and Design Co-Limited, a leader of the company and the head of the Water Resource Management Department. It's been a pleasure to oversee the internship of Lu Haoyu, a recent graduate from University Putra Malaysia, who has spent the last 24 weeks with us in the Water Resource Management Department, especially as an assistant to our environmental water quality engineer. Throughout his internship, Lu Haoyu has shown a commendable dedication to learning and applying his environmental management education to real-world problems. His keen interest in water quality issues and his practice approach to tasks has been noteworthy. He quickly became a reliable member of our team, demonstrating both the capacity to work independently and the willingness to seek guidance when needed. His involvement in our project on local water body assistance was indeed helpful. Lu Haoyu added a new dimension to our data analysis efforts, citing in the refinement of our strategies for monitoring and improving water quality. With a practical and steady approach to tasks, he supported the project objectives in a meaningful way. His willingness to learn and adapt contribute positively to the team's atmosphere, bringing a sense of fresh and enthusiasm that was welcomed by everyone. What impressed us the most was Lu Haoyu's ability to build theory and practice. He adapted his academic knowledge to our practical needs seamlessly, showing a maturity and understanding beyond his years. His enthusiasm for environmental conservation and his commitment to his work has been infectious, positively influencing those around him. As Lu Haoyu's internship concludes, we are confident in his potential to make meaningful contribution to the field of environmental management. His performance has been a clear indication of his capabilities, and his future in this profession looks bright. Thank you, Lu Haoyu, for your hard work and dedication. You have been a valuable addition to our team, and we wish you all the best in your upcoming career endeavors.
Okay, next about my reflection. First, reflecting on my internship, the experience has been profoundly enriching and educational. It provided a practical arena to apply and expand my environmental management knowledge, particularly in water quality improvement. The hands-on work, from lake morphology control to ecological restoration, underscored the importance of integrated environmental solutions. This journey hasn't only sharpened my technical skills but also deepened my commitment to sustainable environmental practice, setting a solid foundation for my future career in this vital field. Next, about the suitability for future internships. The internship at this environmental planning firm is well suited for my future career goals in environmental management because it emphasized extensive water quality projects that are in line with my academic background and personal interests, and the chance to tackle substantial practical challenges like as those found in Jin Lake, Shangjin Lake, and Moshi Lake offers priceless practical experience, and the company's dedication to using cutting-edge engineering techniques and ecological rehabilitation is in line with my enthusiasm for sustainable environmental methodologies. Moreover, the presence of a nurturing team, atmosphere, and the opportunity to make a significant impact on the ecological well-being of the East West Lake District make his location highly suitable for my career growth. Okay, last about the conclusions. A 24-week internship with an environmental planning firm focusing on lake water quality purification was a pivotal experience that linked academic learning with practical applications in the field of environmental management. And working as an assistant environmental water quality engineer in the Water Resources Management Department not only enhanced my understanding of water quality issues, but also sharpened my technical and analytical skills. This experience strengthened my commitment to pursuing a career in environmental protection and gave me a deeper understanding of sustainable water management practice and the network of professional contacts. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.